Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Today I will tell you about the Ronde Chasse and Twist Chasse in Cha-Cha-Cha. It's the basic figures which you need to practice almost every day if you're practicing Cha-Cha, because it's creating you a good understanding how your body is moving, the upper part and the lower part, how they are connecting, how they are rotating. Yeah? So we have a simple back replace step, 2, 3. Then we are doing rotation of the lower part, yeah? And we're doing the delay step there. But in Cha-Cha-Cha, I don't have many time to stay exactly on the previous leg. So when I'm doing this delay step, I'm almost throwing the weight there, like this. Then we are putting the heel on the floor, collecting the legs, and putting the heel again on the floor to make the side step. With the count, it will be 2, 3, and cha, cha, 1. Then we're doing the check. 2, 3. You need to do this backward step almost to the final position before you will throw your leg to the ronde. 3, and cha, and in this point it's better to put the heel on the floor too. Cha, heel on the floor, side step 1. So again, you have 2, check position, 3, and cha, cha, 1. Of course, in every step, you are using the basic movement of Cha-Cha-Cha. You're using Cuban motion in any step. Yeah? If you need to transfer the weight from side to side, you're using the Cuban motion. So together, this exercise will look like 2, 3, and cha, cha, 1, and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1. And again, and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Wish you good luck on your practicing. See you on the next video.